this is your girl Yodi coming back with another beauty talk video. The video today is me showing you how I did a client's hair using a 13x4 lace frontal and 3 bundles of the Boby-Wave virgin hair. Okay, let's start with clean hair. First, you're gonna cornrow the hair. If you need a specific video on how to cornrow the hair, drop a comment below and I will actually make a video just to show you how to cornrow the hair. Second, you're going to need a ball cap. And third, you're going to need needle and thread, some scissors, a rat tail comb, a white tooth, a brush, some razors or something that you can actually shred away the hair, some tweezers for when you actually plucking the front of the hair, some got to be glued, which is the styling gel, the got to be glued, the freeze spray, the blasting freeze spray, and some wrap set foam lotion. Either the nouvo brand or the olive oil. A makeup foundation powder that literally almost like the client's skin, and you the one that the client used, or if you have something that's basically almost like it. You're going to use a blow dryer. You're going to need a concealer that is closer, maybe just one shade lighter than the client's skin. And then you're going to need some alcohol wipes, or you could just get, the wipes that you clean your face with. So basically you're gonna need that to begin the look. So let's go ahead and start our client's hair together. As you can see in the video, we start by sewing down the lace frontal, and after sewing down the lace frontal, make sure you have the client holding on to the frontal so you could have that flat looking look. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and start sewing the bundle. As you can always also see that once I sew down the lace frontal, I don't need the rest of the ball cap, so I cut it off the client's hair, and I'm just continuing with the sewing method of the bundles. You could do the method by double the width of the client's hair, or some part you could do single, then just reply it close to it. But I did it double because this client needed a very her hair to be full and very with a lot of volume. So basically I actually did as requested, and it came out so beautiful. So you go ahead and continue to go ahead and sewing the bundles on the client's back of the hair. And you go ahead and do it all the way till we get to the lace frontal. So once we're done sewing the back of the hair, we're cleaning the area where we're gonna place the styling gel and the freeze spray, so we can, instead of the glue, so we could go ahead and lace down the frontal in the front of the client's hair. Please note, it is best not to sew in anything in front of the client's hair to avoid boldness in the client's edges. Please do not sewing anything on that area. Okay, you can always do a little sew in the middle where there's hair to have it an extra hold, but do not sew the very front part of the client's hair, because you are going to leave that client bald, okay, with no edges. So as you can see here, I am laying down the lace. Okay, I put down the gel and then a little bit of the frizz blast so I can slick the front. In addition, I also let the gel and the free spray a little bit to feel a little bit tacky before I lay down the lace. Now that I feel like the gel and the frizz blast is set and I've already cut off the lace, it's time to style it. And I put the silk wrap in front of the client's hair just to make sure that I lay the hair flat, and I'm gonna go put the client under the dryer for a little bit of time so I could get to make sure that everything is flat and steady, because right now I'm plucking the front of the client's hair so I could give it that that natural feels, because the lace frontal is very full. So for you to give it that natural feeling as if it looked like the front of your hair, you must pluck, not too much, don't make it bold, but you need to pluck enough so it could look like it's the front of the client's hair naturally, if you can see what I'm trying to say. So you could see here, I try my best. I'm using my razor comb to comb through so the front of the hair could look as natural as possible, and not too bulky and not too full, because nobody's front line looks like that. Then I'm attacking to do the baby hair. The client does not like a lot of hair in front of her hairline, so basically we're just doing little baby hairs just to give it style. but that is basically about it. So you go ahead and look, because doing baby hair take a lot of practice. So you go ahead and look and see how I mold it down with what I have in my hands right now is my got to be glued, the styling gel again, and I'm gonna use the foam lotion to basically fluff it out once more. So go ahead and pay attention. Okay guys, right now I am going to style the hair. I again wrap the front of the client's hair just to make sure that I have that flat, you know, seamless look in the front of the hair. And I also have the client hold on to the blow dryer because I want to make sure that the front of the hair is melted into her skin while I'm actually creating the deep parting in the frontal. So after that, I am using, make sure that it is very neat, you guys, because once look at that, once it look that neat, okay, you have it as neat as possible. I'm using my foam wrap lotion again to make sure that I'm, you know, molding it into the style that I really need. And then now I'm creating the illusion part. This is art, you guys, so beautiful. I'm creating the illusion as if this is her scalp. As you can see, I'm using a little concealer in the back of my hands, so I could create the scalp part. This is just a little bit one shade lighter than her skin tone. And then I'm using now the wax that's in my hand just to mold the hair down to actually make sure that there's no bulk around the hair. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna be using, look at that, flawless. I'm gonna using my hot comb. This hot comb, I use it from the stove, you guys, because this is not electric. Simply because I find this more effective. You know, these people who used to passing their kids' hair, you know, when you used to be in Haiti, how your mom used to flat iron your hair like that. This is very effective because this flat iron give you that flat silk, nice down press looking, to make sure your hair is, you know, is as fine and beautiful as possible. right, you guys, this is the final look. Okay, I think it looked amazing. Drop a comment below to tell me how I did on the client's hair. As always, I thank you guys for your time and patience, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.